Hey, it's Ari here. Hope you're doing well. If you're on this video right now, then you might be taking a look at this company here called Emergent Labs, or emergent.sh as the site is labeled right here. And you're wondering, can you really build out full mobile apps in minutes with a simple AI prompt? So I'm going to talk about this exact platform, what you should be aware of so you can make an informed decision. And if at any point in this video you want to check out my favorite way of earning a full-time income online from home, then you could check out the free training that I will have linked down below, and that is using 100% free social media. So this company right here, as it says, build full stack web and mobile apps in minutes, and you could, one thing that I will mention right here is they have a free plan that you could just try it out right here. So I'll talk about that, in a minute and what to be aware of. But right here, it says, what can Emergent do for you? From concept to deployment, Emergent handles every aspect of software, so you just focus on what matters most, and then you just build out websites and mobile apps, right? So you pretty much describe what your website or app is all about, and then this software will create all of that for you, create all the tabs, the banners, the whatever you want listed on your site, and then it creates both a website and an app that goes along with it as well. So that's pretty much just to kind of give you an idea on what it would look like. And then right here, the pricing, like I mentioned, there is a free plan you could sign up for. So you get 10 free monthly credits, which I'll talk about if that's worth it. Unlock all core platform features, one-click integration, and then the standard plan, which I believe most people are going to go for, is right here. It's $17 a month if you do annual, but if you do the monthly plan, then it's only $3 extra per month. So I don't think it makes too much of a difference, but you'll save a bit of money if you, like $36, I guess, if you go for the annual pricing right here. So you get that, and the main difference here is you get both web and mobile apps. So I guess this one is, I guess you could do both of them here, but with this you get 100 credits per month, and then you could purchase additional credits with this plan, which I guess in this one you can't do that. So I guess you have to have at least this plan if you want to get additional credits on top of what they give you right here. So there's that, and then the highest plan is the Pro, and that would be 200 or 167 a month. So like I mentioned, save 36 here, or save 396 if you go with this option right here, and then you get 750 monthly credits with this plan right here. So that being said, the individual is those pricing options, and then enterprise, I guess if you have like a main company, then you would have to, I guess, book a demo with them. So the thing that I want to mention when it comes to a lot of these platforms is while it sounds convenient to build out a website and a mobile app very quickly just by doing a simple prompt, the issue that a lot of these platforms have, especially in the kind of early days of AI, although it is advancing quite rapidly, is oftentimes a lot of these AI tools will miss a lot of details that you ask for, or they will get certain things wrong. They're going to have a bunch of typos, and then what usually ends up happening is you have to use up more credits in order to say like, I don't want the text this color, or I think the banner at the top is too big, or whatever the case is, and then you got to keep doing more prompts to get it to look right. Basically, either that, or you have to actually edit the site yourself. You got to add in some other pages, or you got to add more text on a certain page, or you got to increase the font size. So you end up having to do a lot of the manual stuff anyway with this type of software. And so from what I've read, looking at other reviews, one person mentioned that the main issue with this platform is that the credits burn way too fast. So even for small tasks, usage shoots up unexpectedly. And the other thing that I should mention with a lot of these tools is they oftentimes will increase the cost of credits. So you might get the standard plan, for example, right? And then it could be 100 credits a month that you get. But at any point, they could decide later on to maybe just minimize it to like where you only get 50 credits a month. And then this is maybe like 5 monthly credits, right? Where they're going to try and like get you to pay more. And so I've seen a lot of other AI softwares do that as well, where they will increase the pricing of the credits. And so as far as what the credits can actually do and how quickly they are used up is going to determine how much that this platform will cost, and if, of course, you decide that it is going to be worth it for you. So that is going to be the main issue with this exact platform. And from what I've seen on Trustpilot, a lot of people have basically been saying the same thing. This user, for example, mentions that you'll spend most of your coins trying to fix a few issues which the AI can rarely fix, and so that tends to be a big recurring theme with a lot of these platforms. Here's someone that's mentioned initially subscribed by paying £250 or euros. Not sure what that currency is, but within just a few steps of creating the app, credits were completely exhausted. Then I was forced to buy additional credits for a large amount there, and I'm kind of curious to see what that translates to. I don't know if I feel like. So can I translate that? Yeah, I don't know what that would be there, but yeah. So that pretty much is the thing to be aware of with this exact platform right here. And yeah, there's a lot of really negative reviews about this app as well. So a couple positive reviews from what I've seen, but it really just depends on whether you feel that the credits and the pricing options are going to be worth it to you. And it also depends on what you're trying to do as well. So you might have something very simple to create, and maybe it doesn't require that many, prompts, or it doesn't require much to have the site built up. And so in your case, it might actually be easier to use a platform like this. However, I think for the average person getting online and wanting to monetize a brand new website or a mobile app, then this probably wouldn't be the best option to go with. So that being said, that is my thoughts on Emergent Labs. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you have used this software before. And if you also want to check out exactly how I go about earning an income online from home, then you could also check out my free training that I have linked down below. So that being said, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know your thoughts down below. Give us a thumbs up and take care, all the best.